This is the Cougartron MK310 portable laser marking machine. Every machine comes in a robust transport case, perfect for work on the go or in the workshop. There's two main parts to this machine. There's the main unit here with the interface where we can design the logo, change the laser settings, and then we have the applier. This machine comes in two models. We have the corded version or we have the battery version. There's also the option to use a USB to bring files and logos and even Excel documents with data directly into the machine for marking. So this machine can be used for a whole range of applications. You can use it for very small text, just type in what you want and mark it, for example, a number. It can also be set up to generate QR codes for serial numbers. Please do reach out and contact us if you've got any questions or about different applications for different materials. We'll be glad to speak to you.